The Poetic Guardian case for the S25 Ultra strikes an impressive balance between protection and practicality. What I love most about this case is its versatility. It comes with two front frame options, one with a built-in screen protector and one without, so you can choose what works best for your needs. I particularly appreciate this flexibility since not everyone wants a built-in screen protector interfering with their fingerprint scanner. The clear back panel is a nice touch, letting you show off your S25 Ultra's design while still providing serious protection. The anti-scratch polycarbonate has held up well in my testing, maintaining its clarity without picking up too many scuffs. The military-grade drop protection isn't just marketing speak either. The raised lips around the screen and camera array provide genuine peace of mind. However, installation can be a bit tricky, especially if you opt for the version with the built-in screen protector. You'll need to pay close attention to the fingerprint scanner area to avoid air bubbles, and the whole process requires more patience than your average case installation. The case also adds noticeable bulk to an already large phone, though that's the trade-off for this level of protection. While it may not have the premium feel of cases like the Mouse Limitless or the style options of a Casetify Impact case, it provides arguably better protection than both at a more reasonable price point. Just be prepared to spend some time getting the installation right.